Hey everyone, it's Ray here again with another All About RVs video. Today we are up at the factory show. They had some small displays set up for a handful of dealers to come in and look at the new stuff that they are showing off here. And we're going to walk you through a few different models. Those would be kind of quick clips of a bunch of different models. But I just wanted to kind of show you this, and then when the units actually hit the lot, we'll do our more detailed reviews of the RVs for you guys. Check them out.